Baglat. Hello, good afternoon. I am Professor and Dr. Parampale Surendra Padhi speaking from Bangalore. ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೆದರ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾಂತ್ ರಾವ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಯಪಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೇಳುವ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 13 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿರ್ಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಕೇತನ್ school at New Delhi. He is a English oriented person, I can say, but Kannada also he speaks, but with the 140 kilometer speed. Okay, when he speaks Kannada, nobody can understand. That was the speed he is speaking. Of course, English also is very fast, brilliant chap. For your information, 4th standard boy Aditya Rao, who is 8 years old, and Siddhant Rao,
9 years old.
9 years old. Yes, he is 9 years old, and Siddhant Rao is 13 years old. Both of them actually, with the combined thoughts, they have prepared channel logo. That is my astrology channel logo. They have prepared. Now I am making it as a thumbnail for your information. It's a beautiful idea. Okay, so I told them, if you are continued in Bangalore, I would have used your assistance to develop my channel. And of course, I got a YouTube channel, but my idea is something different. Okay, so whatever it may be, tomorrow I think he may be leaving Bangalore and going to Delhi. For 1 month, he enjoyed his picnic with his brilliant ideas. We also are benefited. I am benefited very fast. I am telling you, where it's eyes are actually like ಗೀದಡ್ का ಐ बोलता है ना, ಹದ್ದಿನ ಕಣ್ಣಿನವ. ಅವನೇನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಟ್ರೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೆ ಅಜ್ಜ ನೀನು ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಕರಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಆನ್ ಮೀ. Such a brilliant chap. So lesser talk is better. Now I am asking Mr. Siddhant Rao to tell the things. Yes, Mr. Siddhant Rao.
Hello. So now let us see whether I am a good astrologer or not as per astrology itself. So first we need to open KP New Astro. So let me open it here. KP. Yes. KP New Astro. Yes. It will just open. Yes, it has opened. So over here you can see some this window opens. So when that Aja has already explained how to do all that stuff and all. And then when you open it, it shows the chart completely like this. So you just come Control A and Control C onto this Word document. So it will just paste all the information over here. So now let us see this standard KP chart over here. So over here we can see that Lagna is 279 degrees from Aries. 279 degrees 21 minutes 32 seconds, and rest all planets are according to that. So over here we can see that Rahu is there in the first house but ahead of ascendant, so it will go to the second house in Bhava. Then in third house there is no planet, fourth house no, fifth house no, seventh, sixth house
No, it is not going to. Rahu is not going to second house actually.
but it is going over here.
Where?
See Bhava.
Bhavachalita. Rahu. Yes, it has gone to. Why it has gone to second house? You go to basic. Say here, Lagna is only 9 degree 21 minutes. Okay, that is the most important point. What is the Rahu degree? 24 degree. See. So, if you consider Lagna 9 degree previous house to 9 degree
next house.
So here 9 degree Lagna to 9 degree
next house
ಕುಂಭ, Aquarius. ಓಕೆ, 9ರಿಂದ 9. ಆವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಹು ಇರೋದು 24 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಈ ಇನ್ ಭಾವಚಲಿತ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು second bhava. Okay, but in KP entirely it is different. Where is KP? Alt. Yes. See here, ascendant starts 279 degree. 279, 30 degree. That means 319 up to 319. 30, isn't it? 309. Yeah. Up to 309, first bhava ascendant acquires. But second bhava starts at 318 degree 56 minutes. That's why in KP, Rahu is in ascendant itself. Okay?
But
So-
actually it goes to second house.
No,
Second
no.
bhava.
That is Parashara.
Oh.
Don't confuse. Okay. Now, when he is explaining KP, what I wanted is ninth Kaspal sublord.
Ninth Kaspal sublord, that is Virgo.
Yes. So you Virgo. What is 1 minute? 1 minute. Virgo Adhipati Yaro?
Mercury.
Mercury. Mercury is the lord of
Mercury is the lord of 6th and 9th.
how? You show me. Correct.
And,
6th. 6th house and
9th house.
9th house. Okay. Where he is posited?
7th house.
7th house. Nodi, Mercury,
But it's actually ahead of Bhava, so it will go to 8th house.
no, whatever it may be. Now, what I wanted is ascendant, Rahu is there. Rahu aspects Mercury. Mercury is the lord of 6th and 9th. So, I want 9th house. Okay? Why? Because the rule says, what is that rule? Come to down. First rule you read.
So where is the rule?
Rule is there. See. Next. There only. Rule. See rule.
Rule. If the ninth Kaspal sublord connected to Jupiter or Mercury and if it signifies 2, 9, 10, 11 through its star and sublord, then he becomes a good astrologer.
Yes.
So that means the ninth Kaspal, that means Virgo's Kaspal sublord. We have to find that.
Find that. Correct.
So what is the sublord? We have to go a bit up. Virgo, that is ninth
Underline
house.
it. Yes. You make it underline.
Yes, let me find sublord 9.
Highlight
Rahu.
it. Highlight it. Entire line. Ninth Kaspal. Melgada. Correct. Highlight. And find out which is Kaspal sublord. Which is sign lord actually?
Sign lord is Buddha.
Sign lord because it is a Kanya. Okay, SGL is sign lord. Okay, Buddha. And Kuja is the star lord.
Chitta Nakshatra.
Chitta, he has born in Chitta Nakshatra. Okay, now, then, sublord is Rahu.
And Rahu is expecting Mercury.
Rahu is aspecting Mercury. So, already I told you Mercury is the lord of 4th and 6th and
6th and 9th.
9th. So, 9 has come already. Okay, now 9 has come. Next, that Rahu in Nakshatra, sublord is in Nakshatra of what? Kuja, Mars. Am I correct?
Rahu is in Kuja Nakshatra, yes.
Where it is? Yes, correct. Sure. Make it, yes. See, Rahu is in Mars Nakshatra. Where is Mars?
Mars is there in 8th house.
Mars is in 8th house. The lord of, show. See, Mars is in 8th house. The lord of, what is that?
Lord of 4th and 11th.
Lord of 4th. You show 4th house. See, Lord of 4th. Next, 11th. So, what I got, 11th also I got it. 9th I got it. 11th I got it. Correct?
Yes.
Now I want
2 and 10.
2 and 10. I will tell you.
2
Rahu, sublord, is in which Rashi?
is in Rahu sublord is wait, let me check. Rahu sublord is
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಹು ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಹೇಳು.
Rahu is in Saturn house.
Saturn house. Okay. Saturn is the lord of
First and second.
first and second.
So 2 and 2.
2 also I got it. ಅಲ್ವಾ 2 ಬಂತು 9 ಬಂತು 11 ಬಂತು ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದದ್ದು 10
Hath has to be Shukra.
Yes. Now, for that,
Shani is there with Shukra.
yes. Why Shukra? Show. Exactly. See? Okay, Shukra. Shani is associated with Venus. Okay. One more thing I want to tell you is, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, Saturn is in star lord of Venus and sublord of Venus. They ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನೋಡಿ, Saturn. Why Saturn? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಹು is in first house and lord of it is Saturn. ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್. ರಾಹುವತ್ ಶನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಹು ಶನಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಶನಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್.
It is in 8th house.
It is in 8th house in the star of
Mars.
Mars.
And Mars is the lord of 4 and 11.
Yes, see, 10 and 11 also.
10 because it is with Shukra.
Shukra. Okay, so 1, 2, 5, 10, 11. So I got it all. I got 9, I got 2, I got 11, I got 10. So he fulfills the definition of 2, 9, 10, 11. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಕೇತು ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟೆಡ್, ದೆನ್ ಕೇತು ಇಸ್ ಅಜ್ಞಾನಕಾರಕ. ಸೊ ಕೇತು ಗಿವ್ಸ್ more about occult because he is the lord of 8th house. Kala Purusha's 8th house. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ?
Scorpio.
ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯೋ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ he is a true good astrologer. For your information, his Ajja's grand papa, what is that?
Grandfather's father.
Grandfather's father is Bhojrao. He is from Belmanno. He was having that intuition. Satya Devate used to tell in his ear on those days. And he went to Bombay. Before that, he has done 48 days ಧ್ಯಾನ. ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗಿ 48 ಡೇಸ್ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಸಿದ್ಧಿಯನ್ನು ಪಡೆದುಕೊಂಡು, ಆ ಸಿದ್ಧಿ ಸತ್ಯದೇವತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ದೇವತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಬಾಂಬೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಟ್ರೂ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಮಿಯರ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೀವೇ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು.
1 rupee was very much.
4 ಆಣಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದವರು they used to earn 1 rupee or 2 rupees, whatever it may be. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಆ ವಿದ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ 4-5 ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದರು, ಒಂದು 3-4 ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇದ್ದರು, ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ 8-9 ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಇವನ ಅಜ್ಜ ಕೂಡ ಅವರ ಮಗ, ಓಕೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಗ. ಅವರ ಹೆಸರು ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ರಾವ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ್ ರಾವ್ ಮಗ ಅರುಣ್ ರಾವ್, ಇವನು ಫಾದರ್. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಸುಷ್ಮಾ is his mother. ರಾಹು ಇಸ್ ಮಾತಾಮಹ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಎರಡೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾದರ್ ನನ್ನ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಮ್ಮನ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ನಾನೇನು ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಟ್ಯೂನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜೀಸ್ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಂದು 2 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ or 3 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವೆನ್ he came to Bangalore. ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 2 years ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫರ್ಗಾಟನ್. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನನ್ನ ಟಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ದ ಅವನು. ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಈ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ? ಸ್ಟೆಲೇರಿಯಂ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟೆಲೇರಿಯಂ ಡಾಟ್
For the free website, it is, I think, stellarium-web.org.
Yes.
But you can also download the app. It's a very good app.
Correct.
You can view stars with it, and also you can see more information about those stars, and there is some option also in that Indian Vedic stars. So in that you can search all the nakshatras: Rohini, Chitta, Uttara Bhadra.
You show that actually here.
Uh,
See, he is showing that stellarium.web.
so you can go here. Stellarium.
Oh, ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾ, ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Stellarium. Yes, stellarium-web.org.
ನೋಡಿ. Okay.
So you do this. I agree. And then it sets the location. You can just put it to Bangalore. or-
Bangalore. Okay.
use
ನೋಡಿ.
this location.
Okay.
So now
Today's date
today's
and today's time.
today's
ಪಾಸ್
time
ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ,
you do this.
ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡು. ಈಗ 16 ನೋಡಿ, 1602ಗೆ ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್. ಸಿ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸಿ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ವೆಸ್ಟ್. ಯು ಸಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಹೌ ಈಸ್ಟ್? ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲಿ? ನಾರ್ತ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಎಸ್
So north over here, as you can see, this bright star. That is Vega. Sorry,
ನಾರ್ತ್ ಸೌತ್ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ.
that is Polaris.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಸೌತ್ ಇದು ಬರಬೇಕು ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಮಾಡು, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮಾಡು. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು.
North.
ಸೌತ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ. ಈಸ್ಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸಿ, ನೌ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟುಡೇ at 1602. ನೋಡಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಚಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಶುಕ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸೂರ್ಯ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ 4 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸೂರ್ಯನ ಜೊತೆ ಬುಧ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜುಪಿಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ.
This is Jupiter.
ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಜುಪಿಟರ್. ಸಿ ಈಗ ರಾತ್ರಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಜುಪಿಟರು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus are easily visible on the night sky just after the sunset nowadays.
ಎಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಇದು. ಹೇಳು.
And now, as you can see that not moon, Jupiter, Saturn, Venus, Sun, and Mercury, all of them are in actually one line. If you draw one line, then they will all be in one line. That line is known as the ecliptic.
ಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ coming back to our video part.
Yes, so I think view settings over here. Oh, see, ecliptic line. As you can see, all of them are in one line.
See, ecliptic line. This is, see, he has taught me actually. I don't know. After his telling only, I know all these things. Stellarium.web. Okay, you can download it from Play Store, and you can see this also. Okay, now let us see. Come back to our video. Okay, now you understood. So ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ವೆದರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಾತಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಜಾತಕವನ್ನು ನೀವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ಏನು ಬರೀ ಪೊಕ್ಕಡದಿನ ಥರ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇವರು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಟಿ ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ತುಕ್ಕ ಮಾರ್ತಾರಾ ಅಂತಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವಾಗಿ ಅವರನ್ನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಲಿಯುವಿಕೆಯ ಒಂದು ಅಂಗ. ನಾನು ವೆದರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಇವನು ವೆದರ್ ಹೀ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲಜರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವನ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. 9481156540 is my mobile number. Kindly bless him, share the videos, and
Like, share, and subscribe.
yes, correct. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.